All right, good morning, Pre-Calc. Mr. K, obviously, just a quick rundown for the week. First and foremost, no school on Friday. That is Good Friday, so you guys are off Friday of this week and Monday of next week due to the Easter holiday. So we're on a little bit of a time crunch this week, so let me give you the rundown. On Monday, I will start section 9.3. In addition to this weekly welcome video, I will post day one notes for 9.3. There will be a second video for 9.3 notes. I'm breaking it in half. That second will be posted by Tuesday morning. If I can get it up and done by Monday, I'll do that, and they'll both be up. But you don't need to watch the second one until Tuesday. So you have your homework for 9.3. Review worksheet 23 will be posted as well. That is not going to be due until next Tuesday. So that's not due this week. It'll be the Tuesday after we come back from Easter break. Your next quiz is Thursday, so that'll be on 9.1 through 9.3. I will be hosting help sessions on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week. Please note the code change for that. So for Pre-Calc, we will now be using PC Kosanki, all lowercase. So you just go to Google Meets, type in PC Kosanki, all one word, all lowercase, no spaces. I'll take you right to the live help session if you have questions, and I'll be available to help you. I am adding one Thursday morning, so you'll see that. It's posted on the weekly rundown, but before the quiz time, so if you have final questions, you can get help there. Quiz will be posted on Thursday from 1 to 6 p.m., so you have that time frame to download it, print it off. It needs to be submitted by 7 p.m. on Thursday. So again, quiz will be live on Schoology, available for you to load or unload from 1 to 6 p.m., due by 7 p.m. on Thursday. Then you've got your 4-day break. As always, if you got questions, shoot me an email, get in touch with me, and I will follow up. All right, thanks. Have a good week.